So, today we're diving into groundbreaking advancements in AI hardware, the maturation of agentic AI services, and the exciting expansion of generative AI into industrial edge environments. It's a day that truly underscores AI's relentless march towards efficiency, autonomy, and practical real-world application. Okay, first up, a significant investment is set to reshape the AI chip landscape. Singapore's Temasek Holdings has led a substantial $275 million funding round for US-based AI chipmaker D-Matrix. Well, this investment, highlighted in Temasek Lead's $275 million investment in D-Matrix AI chips, signals a pivotal shift towards energy-efficient inference solutions. As AI moves from intensive training to widespread deployment, the operational costs for hyperscalers are soaring. Basically, D-Matrix's innovative digital in-memory compute architecture promises a remarkable 10 times faster performance, 3 times lower cost, and 3 to 5 times better energy efficiency than conventional systems, achieving impressive token generation rates for large language models. So, this breakthrough directly addresses the critical pain point of data center power consumption, making AI more sustainable and economically viable at scale. Okay, now next we turn our attention to the services sector, where NTT DATA has once again been recognized as a leader. For the second consecutive year, ISG provider Lens has named NTT DATA a leader in both Agentic AI Services and Generative AI Services. Well, as detailed in NTT DATA recognized as leader in Agentic AI Services, this validates their strategic focus on autonomous AI systems that deliver tangible business outcomes. So, their smart AI agent ecosystem is driving 30 to 50% efficiency gains by enabling end-to-end workflow automation, from supply chain optimization to customer service. Mind you, crucially, NTT DATA's hybrid development approach and focus on observability and compliance are helping enterprises navigate the complexities of AI governance and auditability, especially vital in regulated industries. Right, finally, AI is making significant inroads into the industrial heartland. Rockwell Automation, in collaboration with NVIDIA, has unveiled an edge-based generative AI solution for factory floors and industrial control environments. Well, this innovation, covered in Rockwell Automation Launch's Edge AI for Industrial Systems, brings real-time intelligence directly to where it's needed most. Basically, utilizing NVIDIA's Nemotron Nano small language model, the system operates entirely offline with minimal power, providing instant insights for critical operations. So this addresses the limitations of cloud-dependent AI in latency-sensitive industrial settings where safety and productivity are paramount. By fine-tuning the model with proprietary data and reducing its footprint by 70%, Rockwell is setting a new standard for secure, reliable, and efficient AI deployment in critical infrastructure. Right, now for AICI's views on today's developments. Well, the investment in D-Matrix highlights that while technical superiority is compelling, widespread adoption of new AI hardware hinges on seamless integration into existing cloud ecosystems and proven reliability in mission-critical deployments. Energy efficiency is no longer a nice-to-have, but an existential requirement for AI's future at planetary scale. So regarding NTT DATA's leadership, it's clear that successful agentic AI demands a delicate balance between technical sophistication and human-centric design. The real challenge ahead lies in establishing robust accountability frameworks for autonomous decisions, particularly as these agents take on high-stakes operational tasks. And actually, for Rockwell Automation's foray into industrial edge AI, while it brilliantly mitigates cloud dependency risks, its long-term viability will depend on establishing open standards for model interoperability and prioritizing security by design to prevent edge devices from becoming new attack vectors in our increasingly connected operational technology environments. Basically, today's news paints a vivid picture of an AI industry maturing rapidly, focusing on practical, efficient, and responsible deployment across diverse sectors. From silicon innovation to intelligent automation and industrial resilience, the future of AI is being built on foundations of performance, sustainability, and trust. Anyway, we're excited to see these trends continue to unfold, and we look forward to catching up with you tomorrow for more essential AI insights. This was brought to you by AICI, your expert AI consultants. Please hit like and subscribe to stay ahead of the curve with all the latest from the world of AI. See you tomorrow.